I'm Annie and I'm a cookbook author. Today I want to show you how to make an eggless vanilla ice cream with orange pistachio tuile. So these are the ingredients that we need to make the orange pistachio tuile. Now grab a bowl and we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, or you can use coconut oil, 1 egg white, and we are going to stir this well. Next, we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of chopped pistachio and 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Grab your whisk and whisk everything together until well combined. Now to add a little citrusy zing to your tuile, just grab an orange and zest it in. Prepare a baking tray lined with baking cloth and use an offset spatula to spread a thin layer of the batter to make your tuile. Now let me get the help of my little chef. Once you're done, bake them in preheated oven 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Let's move on to make our eggless vanilla ice cream now. These are the ingredients that we need. Start by pouring in 250 ml of milk and add in 40 grams of plain flour. We are going to whisk everything together and pour it through a sieve into a pot. Pour in remaining 250 ml of milk, add in 120 grams of sugar, and we are going to heat up the pot on medium heat. Don't forget to whisk continuously until the mixture starts to thicken. It looks ready. Turn off the heat and pour everything into a mixing bowl and let it cool down for 30 minutes. Once cooled, we are going to add in 200 ml of whipping cream and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Beat on high speed for about 7 minutes or until fluffy. Okay, now gently pour into a container, or you can pour into an ice cream maker now. Little chef is back to taste. Now put our ice cream into the freezer to freeze for 8 hours. Once set, we are going to cut them into smaller pieces or into smaller cubes like I did. Now place the ice cream cubes into your blender and blend for a few minutes. If you are using a small blender like I did, do this in batches. Blend them at high speed until creamy, smooth, and fluffy. Pour them out and put it back into the freezer for another 8 hours. To serve, thaw the ice cream for 15 minutes in room temperature or until you can scoop it out easily. Serve your ice cream with the orange pistachio tuile and enjoy your dessert. Don't forget to try out this simple recipe from my Volume 6 cookbook. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comments down below for any questions and follow me on social media, Instagram and Facebook for daily updates. Bye!